UpTempo AAV platform process accelerates time from gene to clinic. With the increasing demand for life-changing gene therapies and the progress of new adeno-associated virus, known as AAV-based gene therapies to clinic, gene therapy innovators must successfully navigate the complexities of AAV production. Standardizing viral vector manufacturing faces several challenges, including bottlenecks in the supply chain, lack of scalability in processes, and variability associated with customer-driven standard operating procedures, analytical testing, and raw materials. As many gene therapies are being developed to address previously unmet needs, speed to clinic is critical to bring these therapies to patients. By implementing a platform-based approach for viral vector production, the progress of therapies to first-in-human studies can be accelerated. Catalent's UpTempo AAV platform process offers clients accelerated timelines for producing their clinical materials. The scalable CGMP-ready platform process can significantly reduce the time from gene to clinic through a simplified supply chain, increased development and manufacturing efficiencies, and standardized documentation. The UpTempo AAV platform process was developed from the expertise gained supporting over 70 viral vector programs, from preclinical to commercial approval and beyond. The platform process is designed to be robust, providing high titer and high % full capsids with low encapsulated host cell DNA across serotypes, enabling the reduction of the typical 18 to 20-month drug product development timeline by half. By using Catalent's off-the-shelf GMP plasmids in combination with its high-producing clonal HEK293 production cell line, the UpTempo AAV platform can reduce hassle and increase efficiencies through its end-to-end solution. With their global network of dedicated small and large-scale clinical and commercial manufacturing facilities and a commercially approved Center of Excellence for Gene Therapy, Catalent can provide full supply chain control and support you at every stage of your gene therapy candidate's journey.